How's it going today, everybody? Just gonna go for a quick test ride. As you can see, it's done. Woo-ha! How's everybody doing today? I'm doing great. This is kind of a crappy rough road here. I can't see a thing because my visor is fogged right up. I gotta clean that and treat it. I just can't see. Oh crap, I forgot my phone. It's right there. I didn't forget it. Oh crap, I forgot to close my garage door. That's alright, I'm just gonna go up and do a quick walk around and show you guys the dash. My risers, they are complete. And it definitely changes the wind flow. Wow, it's made it quieter. Like I was doing 80 and I'm still getting a hit on the very top of my head. But it definitely makes a difference. I like it. Alright, I'm just gonna stop here. Alright, let's hop off and take a look. Thing of beauty. Alright, so here we go. As you can see, it's nice and solid. Came out pretty decent, you know. Put a brace in here like I said I was going to. Eventually I'm going to drill a couple of holes. I have some ball mounts for the ram mounts, and I'm going to put a GPS and put my phone mount up here. Then that clears up my handlebars, and other than that it looks great and I'm very happy with it. But oh well, I do have to, change a few things. These fasteners suck, but other than that, it's done, and it works. Is it before the wind was hitting me right here, and I saw I was putting my hand up like this, before the wind was hitting me right in the chin and the neck, and now it's just grazing the top of my helmet, so it's doing what it's supposed to do. I'm just gonna get a quick picture. Alright, anyway, it was supposed to snow, but it's warming up actually, and today is supposed to be awesome. My phone just died. Today is actually warmer than what they were calling for. Still not very warm. I'm glad I got some pictures taken. So I just thought I'd go for a quick test ride, so to say. It's done. It works. Have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Cheers. Ooh-ah.